Hi, this is Shiva Rajaya from vitalcoaching.com. Welcome again to Maui, Haleakala. I'm going down the volcano now in direction of the sea. And the topic for this video is beauty spots, nature's beauty spots or harmony spots. Sometimes you are walking in nature and then suddenly you come across these kind of places. Looks like every tree, every branch has all been positioned in the right place or the right way. There is some form of very strong silence right in this position, in that place. Can you feel it? And I mean, you probably had that experience yourself in nature, right? Sometimes you come across some spots which seem to reverberate a very special kind of vibration. And I didn't see it at first. Then I turn around. There is this big tree right there. My impression is that it's the energy of the tree is kind of creating that silence, that place. And maybe the tree was itself growing here because of this vibration. And it's the biggest tree I encountered so far on the way down. You know, we are quite high still, probably like 4,500 feet, which is maybe 1,500 meters. And look at the thing, which is really gorgeous, really pretty, is that all these trees here are growing, and this one is kind of supporting the growth of this big branch, so it's kind of, you know, holding it. And over there the same thing. See, it's kind of cute. I was going to pass through this spot without recording a video, but I thought, you know, this is special. The silence, the bliss, the beauty. This would be an ideal spot to spend a night. Just enjoy the silence and the peace of this beautiful being. Let's go and say hi to the tree. I really believe that trees are intelligent beings, but not the kind of human intelligence that we talk about usually, but they can definitely feel our vibration and feel our love, feel our care. When I communicate, you know, with beings like this one, what I want to say is, fight, defend yourself. Nobody will ever touch you. You are powerful, mighty, beautiful. I'm here to sponsor your life and the one of all your friends and brothers and sisters on this planet. You deserve to be alive, to stay alive. Nobody will ever touch you. You have an aura of protection that will preserve you. You will last forever. You will be here for hundreds and hundreds of years to come. That's a good prayer for him or for her. Good prayer. Enough with destroying nature. We need to preserve things like that, no matter where they are around the world. Let's fight for this. Bliss and beauty to you from Maui.